Hello guys, you are seeing in my screen Chat GPT. This is an AI which is open AI. We are showing a great develop in the world. There is very opportunity to first the programming. The programmer has very good opportunity, so you can use it. So how it will be used, I'm showing. You have to first go to Google and you have to search the Chat GPT. Then you will get some links. You have to click the first link and you have to register there. I have registered also, so I can use that. After the registration, you will get this type of skin. There has a button, try Chat GPT. So when you click this button, you will get the skin as like that. So you can search anything which you want. If you try something, there has some example. I have tried create an inventory. So he suggests me how to create a project. So I will show you how to search there and how much intelligent is this AI. So I am searching first of all for 3 days application of holiday. Sorry, I have to search 3 days. Now I am search will be there a leave application for 3 days. So how much intelligent is this AI? I have to check. So is right application. Oh guys, you are saying that they also start the work. This is very intelligent AI. Oh my God! They also read an application which is very close to me. They create a subject and the header, and also which need for an application for the leave, and they also their parameters set there. So if I want to search about something new as like a programmer, how much they can easy our programming life will see there. So I have to create a new chat, and then is create a CRM. Oh my God, that is very intelligent. It can write the SQL code. This is very impressive. So you are saying they create the database name and using the table also creating the customer table, contact table, also creating nodes. Very useful software. Very useful AI. It also suggests me how to use. They also rated there the text like the description about the code. That will be helpful to understand to me. So you also got it. How much intelligent is this AI? The perfect code for a database of CRM. So I will try for a new. They can to write some code. C# ASP.NET anything. I'm trying. No need to write this. I write my command and search. That is very intelligent. Very intelligent. Programming life is very easy by this AI. He rated the actual step what to do for a project for inventory module. Step by step he rated that. Right. We show the step this rated. Now we will show if they can we will show how it can rated the code actually. Oh my God, that is very intelligent. This is very impressive. So we can verify. First of all, we add inventory model class, then DB context configuration instead of database configuration. View base. Actually, ASP.NET has result base. That is the view base. Context. This is the controller. Finally, update the database. Actual the inventory model is created. Very impressive. So I will show you my previous searches. Existing searches. I have searched there. Create a page for using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It created a page that is very look good, and also there has HTML page and JavaScript. A great structure there. I also searched there login form using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it wrote a HTML code, CSS code, JavaScript code. I have tried more things. It's working a actual solution giving me. It can understand some Bangla, but not clearly all. He understand, but he understand more better. So next in the future, programming career will be very easy. So we have to update more and basic things no need to learn, but basic thing is actual the basic foundation. But it will very easy our life. Then programming life will be easy and tough for newer. So we don't know what are we doing. So we have to try our best. Thank you.